If you've noticed more AI language creeping into your workplace, words like RAG, agents, private AI, you're not alone. These terms are showing up in software updates, emails, and team meetings, and often no one pauses to explain what they actually mean. This video is designed to make those terms clear, so when you hear them, you understand them, because AI adoption in SMEs is accelerating. And if AI is becoming part of how your company operates, understanding the language gives you confidence and control. Let's start with the foundation. Generative AI simply means AI that creates content, text, emails, reports. And realistically, most of you already know this. If you've used ChatGPT style tools, email co-pilots, you're already using generative AI. Where you'll see it: drafting client emails, writing reports, summarizing meeting notes. Key thing to remember: it creates a starting point. It does not replace review, it does not remove responsibility. Now let's move on to something that sounds complicated: RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Simple explanation: it means AI that answers questions using your company's documents instead of general internet knowledge. So instead of asking, "What's a refund policy?" you ask, "What's our refund policy?" And it pulls from your company's internal files. Where you'll see it: internal help desks, company knowledge assistants. Important to understand: if your documents are outdated, the AI will repeat outdated information. RAG improves accuracy, but it depends on document quality. You'll also hear the term private AI. This usually relates to where data is processed, whether your company's data is used for training, how information is stored. For employees, this matters when you're entering customer data, uploading documents, handling sensitive information. If your company adopts AI tools, there should be clear guidance on what data can and cannot be entered. This is where governance becomes critical. Agents. This is one of the biggest buzzwords right now. Agents are AI systems that don't just suggest, they act. For example, automatically creating a support ticket, updating CRM fields after a meeting. For employees, this can mean less manual data entry, fewer repetitive steps. But it also means you need to understand what it's allowed to do. Now let's look at something more advanced. OpenClaw isn't a general AI concept like RAG. It's an example of a new category of tools that operate software the way a human would: clicking, typing, navigating menus. Instead of asking, "Does this system support automation?" it asks, "Can a human use this software? If yes, AI can too." It's an open source software, and many developers are installing it directly on their own laptops to automate parts of their daily workflow. This isn't just enterprise level automation, it's a developer driven move towards personal automation. In an SME, this could mean automating legacy systems, moving data between older platforms. But because it works through the screen, if layouts change, it can break. If permissions are too broad, it can overreact. It's powerful but requires monitoring and governance. In simple terms, it's AI using software the way a staff member would. You'll also hear the term personal agent more often. Personal agent is an AI that operates on behalf of an individual, not just answering questions, but actively helping manage work. If you've seen Jarvis in Iron Man, that's the cultural example. Jarvis didn't just respond, he monitored, took action, anticipated needs. We're not there yet, but based on current industry direction, AI is moving towards calendar management, inbox summaries. OpenClaw tools can be seen as early building blocks of this idea, especially when customized at the individual level. This is where AI shifts from tools you use to assistants that work alongside you. AI language will continue to evolve. New terms will appear, but most buzzwords fall into one of four categories: AI that generates content, AI that retrieves company knowledge, AI that takes action, AI that handles different types of input or software environments. Once you understand that, the vocabulary becomes much less intimidating. The goal isn't to become an AI expert. It's to feel confident using the tools that are becoming part of modern SME workplaces.